So hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. This is Mr. Nisar, the Maths Guru. In this session, we will be solving exercise 21D. So without wasting time, let's move on the screen. Yeah. So the first question we have, that is an MCQ. I'll take that question. Yeah. Fine. So the first question we have, that is 2 sine theta is equal to root 3. And 4 options are given to us. So what I'll do, children, first of all, I'll write the question. It's given that 2 sine theta is equal to root 3. So that 2 is in multiplication. If it goes in other side, it goes here in division. So it becomes sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So which value of sine becomes root 3 by 2? Yes, it's 60. So here the value of theta is 60 degree. Okay, now children, see what we have to do. We have to put this value of theta in all the 4 options, and after putting that value, that LHS should be equal to RHS. So I'll take the first option here. It's given 2 cos theta plus 1. So if I take 2 cos theta plus 1, the value of theta we have, that is 60. So 2 cos 60. So 2 cos 60 plus 1 it is. See, this you have to do very quickly. Here I am explaining you, so it will take time. So cos 60 is nothing but it is 1 by 2. So I'll write here 1 by 2 plus 1. So this both will get cancelled. So 1 plus 1 I am getting 2. But here is equal to 0. It is given in the question that this should be equal to 0. So 2 is not equal to 0. So our first option is not correct. Let's check the second option here. In the second option it is given 1 minus sine theta. So here the value of theta is given to you 60. So I'll write here 1 minus sine 60. And here sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So 1 minus root 3 by 2, and here it's coming 0. So again it's given here 0, and this subtraction is not going to come as 0. See, these both are also not equal. It means our option second is also not correct. Let's check the third option. In the third option it is given that cos theta, here the value of theta is 60. So cos 60 and cos 60 we have the value as 1 by 2, but towards RHS it is given as root 3, so which is not equal. It means after putting the value of theta as 60 in all the 3 options, we have not got the answer. Now let's try for the fourth one. And yes, after putting this, our answer should come. In the left hand side it is given 2 cos theta. The value of theta we have it as 60, so 2 cos 60. So if I put the value of cos 60 is given to us 1 by 2. So if I cancel this, what will remain? 1. And it's yes, in the RHS also it is given 1. So which condition is satisfying here? The option number 4 is satisfying here. It means only one option out of the 4 will be correct here. So what we have done, children, in this question, we have find the value of theta from the 2 sine theta what is given in the question, and just we have put in all the 4 options, and option number 4 satisfies the given equation. I hope it is quite clear. Let's go ahead for the next question. Now children, see, we have the second question. Cos 62 degree 40 minutes is equal to x. The value of 1 plus sine square 27 degree 20 minutes we have to find here, and the 4 options are given to us. So children, if you concentrate on the question carefully, you will be able to see that these both are nothing but they are the complementary angles, and you are aware that what is the complementary of cos. If I write here cos 90 minus theta, it becomes sine theta. This is nothing but the complementary angles. Okay, now see an example I'll give you. It means what, children? If cos 60, if the value of cos is 60, then what will the value of sine? It will be 30. It means the sum of these two will be what? Always 90, because these both are complementary to each other. So if I observe this question, I can see here it's given to us cos 62 degree 40 minutes. Okay, and here it is written sine 27 degree 20 minutes, and if I add this both, I'm going to get 90. It means this both will be equal. Let's check whether I'm going to get 90 or not. See, if I add it, I'm going to get 62 degree 40 minutes, and here it is 27 degree 20 minutes. Okay, so if I add it, I will be getting here 60 minutes, and here it will be 89 degree. So this 60 minutes means what, children? 60 minutes means 1 degree. So this 89 plus 1 degree, how much it will become? It becomes 90 degree. So here I will be getting the sum of these two as 90 degree. It means these both are complementary to each other. So what is given, children, here? 1 plus sine square 27 degree 20 minutes it is. Okay, so can I say here In the question it is given this value of cos as x, and here it is a square, so I can say that this is nothing but this is the same as the cos value. So here it is x square will come, correct, because here see here it is given sine square. Now if I say you this is x, this both are one and the same, so here 1 plus x it is, but here it is square, so it will be 1 plus x square. So which option will be correct? Option number 1 will be correct. So simply what is given in this question, this both were complementary and we need to find the value of 1 plus sine square 27 degree 20 minutes. So simply we can say that this is nothing but this is the value of x which is given in the question, and here that is as this is x square, so we have taken its square. With very simple question it was. Let's go ahead for the next question. Yeah, the next question is given to us, sine theta is equal to 0.5. So can I say that sine theta is 0.5, and 0.5 means what it is? It is 1 by 2. So which value of sine becomes 1 by 2? Yes, it's sine 30. So I can say that here the value of theta is 30. Sine at which angle is 1 by 2? So you can say that sine at 30 degrees 1 by 2. Okay, so we got the value of theta as 30. Again, the same type of question which we solved the first one. So here tan theta plus cot theta we need to find, which imply then here we have to take the value of tan 30 plus cot 30. So what is the value of tan 30, children? Tan 30 we have 1 by root 3, and cot is you can say inverse to tan, so I can say that cot 30 is root 3. Okay, if you write the table for cot here again, what will happen? Just reverse all the values of tan, getting, so we'll be having cot 30 as root 3. So if I solve it, I'll be getting cross multiply 1 plus root 3 into root 3, it will be 3. Yeah, it will be 1 plus root 3 into root 3, it will be 3 upon root 3 into 1, it will be root 3. So can I say it is 3 plus 1, 4 by root 3. So it means it's 4 is to root 3. Which option, children? Option number 3. I hope it is quite clear. Very simple question it was. We have just taken the value for theta and we put in the given equation. Let's go ahead for the last question, last MCQ here. Yeah, again we have, children, cos 63 degree 36 minutes, and we need to find the value of sine 26 degree 24 minutes. So children, again if you see these two, are these both complementary to each other? Yes. Okay, why? Because the sum of these two, again this angle is going to become what? It's 90 degree. So I can say that this cos 63 degree 36 minutes value is same as sine 26 degree 24 minutes. Why? Because these both are again complementary to each other, so I can say that their values are also same. So here the value of cos is given to us, this one, that is 0.4446. It means this is the same value for this sine. So which option will be correct? Option number 3. Very simple question it were. This were the questions related to the complementary angle. Let's go ahead for the next question. Now children, in the next question we have to find the value of sine 21 degree, sine 34 degree 42 minutes. So for this we will be using the log table, okay, which is given on your textbook on the last 3-4 pages. So here we need to find the value of sine, so we will be using the table for sine. So let's move on the log table. So children, I am on the log table now. See, in your textbook you can find this table where you can see the sines table, sine, cos, tan. Now here I'll write all the 4 questions which is asked to us right now. The first question we have here, it is, we need to find the value of, it is sine 21 degree. Okay, so we have to find the value of sine 21 degree. Then second question we have in this, we have the value of sine 34 degree. It is sine 34 degree and 42 minutes. Okay, these values we need to find. So let's solve these first 2 questions. Now children, when you open the log table, you will be finding here the first column here degrees are written. Okay, here we have all the degrees. Okay, and here we have minutes. Now you can see here 0, 6 minutes, 12 minutes. So this sides you can see these are minutes. Okay, and this column we have for the degree, and the row we have for the minutes. Now for example, we need to find the value of sine 21. Now you need to remember one thing, children, in sines always remember one thing, we have to add the mean difference. Here mean difference is given in the last end, so here we need to add mean difference we have to add in the sine column. Okay, these things you have to remember. I'll explain you when the question will come of that type. Now we need to find the value of sine 21 degree. So simply what I'll do here, children, yeah, I'll go in the degree column, and I'll go to 21 degrees. So sine 21 is over here. Okay, so this is 21 degree, and 21 degree I look in the 0 minute. So I can say that this value, this is the value for sine 21 degree. Okay, what I have done, I went in the sine 21 degrees column, and I have seen in the 0 minute. Okay, I have seen in the 0 minutes column 21 degrees 0 minutes. So this answer is nothing but, we have the answer as, I'll write answer over here, it is 0.3584. This is the answer for sine 21. I'll just zoom it so that it will be more clear to you. Just give me a second. Yeah, now you can see on the screen, just I have zoomed here. Yeah, you see here, it is, yeah, this is sine 21 degree, and I have to just taken the value from 0 minute. Okay, so whenever it is asked 21 degree, 30 degree, whatever it is asked, so you will see that in the 0 minutes column. Now see the second question we have, that is 34 degree and 42 minutes. So what I'll do, children, first of all, which row I should go, I'll just zoom out here so that it will be more clear to you. Yeah, now you can see the log table again on the screen. I have to go in the column of 34 degree 42 minutes. So first I'll go in 34 degree column. Yes, you can see here, this is 34 degree. Now in 34 degree, again it's given in the question 42 minutes it is. So we will go in 42 minutes. So where is 42 minutes? You see here, 42 minutes is here. So I have to go in this column, 42 minutes and 34 degrees. So see, I'll go here 34 degree and 42 minutes. The value will be, yes, you can see this one. Yeah, I think so. I have clicked. Yeah. So I'm getting the value here. I'll write it over here what I got the value as. It is 0.5693. This is the value which I have got. So what I have done, I went in 34 degree and I have checked in 42 minutes. So you can see this is 42 minutes column. Yeah, like this vertically you have to see here. This is 42 degree, 42 minutes column. This is 42 minutes column, and here we have 34 degree. So very easy to see. It is not, there is nothing complicated in this. To be more precise, I'll just zoom it so that it will be more clear to you. Yeah, you can see here, children, now. Yeah. This value. Okay, I'll just take out here. Yeah, now you see what I have done, 34 degree, and I went in the 34 degree, and then I went in 42 minutes column. I hope it is quite clear. Let's solve the next question here. I'll just erase all the ink from the board. Now children, the next question is very interesting. We have to find the value of sine 47 degree and 32 minutes. So now see what I'll do. First of all, I'll go in 47 degrees column. So it's over here. So to be more precise, I'll just zoom it so that it will be more visible to you, more clear to you. Yeah, I hope the screen is quite clear to you now. Yeah, so now see, I'll just find the value now. The question is, find the value of 47 degree 32 minutes. So first I'll go in sine 47 degrees column. So this is degrees column. Okay, so I came over here 47 degree. Now I want 32 minutes. Now if I see here, children, the minutes are in the multiple of 6. So here there is no value for 32 minutes. But what is closer to 32? We know that it's 30. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to 30 then. Okay, 47 and I'll go to 30. It means you have to go to the nearest value for this. Like 32 is there, so you should go till 30. Okay, the previous multiple of 6. Now if I say it is 43, I should go to 42. If it is written that 57 is there, so I should go to 54. The nearest multiple of that 6 you have to go. Now here it is 32. So 32, which is the previous multiple of 32, which is the previous multiple, that is of 6 of 32, you can say that 6 5s are 30. So you should go to 30. So I went here. So 47 degree and 30 minutes. So it's over here. Now I have the value is at that 30. I am getting the value 0.7373. Okay. Now I need to find this is for 30, but I want 32. So how to get that plus 2 values? So that plus 2 value is given in the mean difference. Okay, so this plus 2 value is over here, and this plus 2 value is what? 4. Okay, actually now what I said you during the in sine, what you should do, you should add. In sine you have to add the mean difference. So this I will be adding at the last place, you can say this place. Okay, you need to remember it is 4. It doesn't mean that it is here it is 4.00, it means it's 0.0004. It's actually, the meaning is this one. So if I add this one, I'll be getting 7 point. So I have the answer as 0.7377. Okay, in this way we are going to solve it. What I did, we need the value of 47 degree 32 minutes. So I said you to go to the nearest value, like 32 is there, 32 we don't have. So what is the previous value which is multiple of 6? That is 30. So I went till 30. So I went, then I have written the value of 30. Then we need 32. So you have to add the mean difference for that too. One more example I'll take of that type, which is not there in our textbook. Or do we have? No, we don't have that example. So I'll take one more example so that it will be more clear to you. For example, children, suppose, okay, this is just for your understanding for sine, because once you understand this one example, no, you can solve sine, cost, and this all are one and the same. Suppose you have to find the value of, just I'm giving you an example, 50 degree and 44 minutes. 50 degree and 44 minutes. Suppose you have to find this value. So what you will do, first you will go in 50 degrees column. Yes, you will go in 50 degrees column. Then you will go at, now see 44 is there. Do we have 44 in the minutes? No. What is the previous to 44? That is multiple of 6. That is 42. Previous number which is multiple of 6. So I'll go here 50. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So see, this is 50 degree. I'll go here first. I'll just tick mark, children, here. Yes, this is 50 degree. Then I'll go till 44. So 44 we don't have. So I'll go till 42. So 42 is this one. So I'll write this point as 0.7738. Then 42 we got. We need 44. So plus 2 we need. So 2 will go in the mean difference. So mean difference here it is 4. So it's nothing but you have to add at this place, at the last place, that is 0.000. Okay, so it was 12, 1 carry, this will be 477. So here you have the answer as 0.7742. I hope it is quite clear to you. Let's go ahead for the next question. Children, again we have one more question of sine. The next question we have is 62 degree 57 minutes. You have to find the value of 62 degree 57 minutes. Children, how you will be solving here? First of all, we'll go in sine 62 degree. Then we want 57 minutes, but we don't have 57 minutes. What we have, the previous to 57, we have 54. So we'll take 54. That is 0.8902. But what we want 57, and this is the value of 54. So 54 plus how much is 57? 54 plus 3. So plus 3 is 1. See here, plus 3 mean difference. I'll just click mark over here. Yeah, this one. So this is nothing but our plus 3. And plus 3 value we have for, that is 4. Plus 3 value, that is 54 we have got. Then 57. So that remaining 3 minutes value is 4. So this, in terms of sine, what we have to do, we have to add. So if I add it, I'll be getting the answer 0.8906. This is our answer. So simply what we have to do, go in 62 degree, then 54 minutes, and then add the mean difference for that remaining 3. I hope it is quite clear. Let's go for the next, that is cos. Now children, the second, we have to find the cost value for 2 degree 4 minutes. Now see, when you open your log table, you will find there natural cosines. You will be going, and just for the cost values you are going to see that table. Now something very important point I am giving you children here, that you have to mention in your book. See, for cos, see what we did in sine, we added the mean difference. See, only for cos subtract mean difference. subtract mean difference. See, this is something very important. Okay, see, in our syllabus right now we have sine, cos, tan. So only for cos you have to subtract mean difference. It means what? For sine and tan, what we have to do then? For sine and tan you have to add mean difference. Okay, these two are most important point which I have written here. Okay, remember this. Okay, now let's see what we need to do. We need to find the value of cos 2 degree 4 minutes. So what you will do? You'll go in cos to 2 degree and then 4 minutes. Do you have 4 minutes here? You don't have 4 minutes now. So children, if you don't have this 4, then what to do? See, the concept is quite simple here. What we are going to do here, right now for example we have 2 degree. We need to find the value of 2 degree and 4 minutes. So go on 2 degree. Then we don't have 4 degree. So what we'll do, then we'll go in 2 degrees 0 minute column. So this is our value, 2 degrees 0 minutes column. So the value we have, that is 2 degrees 0 minute, that is 0.9994. See, always remember you have to go towards the previous value, the least value. Okay, you don't have to go ahead. Now here it is 4 degree, but we don't have 4 degree, so go at 0 degree 0 minute. Okay, sorry, we have to go for the 4 minutes, but we don't have 4 minutes, so go for the 0 minutes. So then it is 0.994. now what we need but 4 minutes we need. So from where we'll get this 4 we'll get from the mean difference. So mean difference here for 4 minutes is how much? 1. So that will be, now as I said you in the cos, we are going to do subtraction. Do remember subtraction, it is 0.0001. Okay, so when we do subtraction it will be 3, then 999 point 0.9993 is the answer. Okay, I hope it is quite clear to you and very easy to understand. Don't make it more complicated. Now here you see, you have to find the degree for 8 degree. You have to find the value of cos 8 degree and 12 minutes. So go at 8 degree. Then do we have 12 minutes? Directly we have here 12 minutes. So it's quite simple. The same value we'll be writing. It's nothing but 0.9898. Okay. So the second answer is 0.9898. To be more clear, I'll just write it properly. Yeah, I hope it is quite clear on the screen now. Just I have written very neatly. We got the second answer, 8 degree 12 minutes at 0.9898. Now see the third one. It's 26 degree and 32 minutes. So first what we'll do, we'll go on 26 degree. Yes, I'm able to see a 26 degree here. Then we need 32 minutes. Do we have 32 minutes? No. So previous to 32 we have, it's 30 minutes. So we'll go at 30. So I have the value as, I'll write the value here children. It is 0.8949. Then 32, this is 30, we want 2 more. So 2 mean difference we have as 3. So that I will subtract here. So during cos we know that mean difference are subtracted. So if I subtract it, it's going to become, it is 0.8946. Okay, the last we have 65 degree 41 minutes. So let's go ahead for the next screen. Yeah, now there is 65 degree 41 minutes. So see, again in the cos table, it is cosine table, 65 degree. Where is the 65 degree? Yes, we got 65 degree. Then 41 minutes. Do we have 41 minutes? No, we don't have 41 minutes. Do we have 41 minutes here? No, we don't have 41 minutes. So what we'll do, we'll go at 36. So 36 is this one. Okay, so I'll write here 0.4131. Then I want, see, this is 36, I want 41, so plus 5 is needed. So plus 5, what is the value of y here? The value of phi is 13, and we know that in the cos what we do, we subtract. So then this is 36 plus 5, that is 41, and the value of that mean difference 5 minutes, what we are going to do, mean difference we are going to subtract. So if I subtract it, I am going to get here 11 minus 3, that is 8, 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 4. So this is 0.4118. I hope it is quite clear. Now let's go ahead for the next one. Then we have tan. Okay, children, in the tan table, as I said you, in sine and cos we need to add, and in the sine and cos we need, sorry, sine and tan we need to add. I'll write it here again. sine and tan. What we need to add? We need to add the value of mean difference. Add. Okay, so you have to add here. Add mean difference, and only in cos you have to subtract. Now I need to find the value of tan 37 degree. Now you say me what is tan 37 degree. So if I see here 37, yeah, so 37 will be looking in what? 0 degree, 0 minute, that will be 0.7536. Okay, then we have 42 degree 18 minutes. 42 degree, it's over here, and 18 minutes. Now directly it's 18 values given, so nothing you have to put your head there. Directly you can write it's 0.9099. I hope it's making any sense to you, and it's very easy. Let's go ahead. So what is the conclusion, children? In sine and tan we need to add, and in cos we need to subtract. What? Mean difference. Let's move ahead. The next question we have, use the table to find the acute angle theta if the value of sine theta. Okay, so children, here if you see, we have to go reverse. Here we need to find the value of theta. Here the value of sine theta is given. It means we have to go reverse. Now you have to search 0.4848 in these values, and we have to write the value of theta from this. So what I'll do, I'll search 0.4848. So 4848, you can see here 484. Yeah, I can see the value is over here. Okay, 4848. So can you say me what is the theta here? It's 29 degree, and what is the minute here? It is 0 minutes. So can I say the value of theta here? It is the value of theta for the first one is 29 degree. Okay, 29 degree and 0 minutes. 0 minutes, no need to write. Yeah. Then the next question we have here 0.3827. Okay, let's go for 3827. 3827, we have to search 3827. So 38, yes, see here clearly it's all the values are nearly in the ascending order. Directly you can take here. So 3827. So 3827 I can see here. I have to write the theta for this one. Now see what is the degree. First always we write degree and then we write minutes. So degree is 22 degree. And what is the minutes here? Minutes you can go upside, that is 30 minutes. I hope it's quite clear to you. Let's go for the next table. So the next question we have, children, use the table to find the acute angle theta. Now here the value, if the cos value is given, now you have to find theta. So it is same as the previous one, but we need to remember in cos we subtract the values. Okay, so here it is 9848. Do we have 9848 directly in this table? So yes, you can see here we have this 9848 directly. So what is the value of theta here in term degree? So here I can say that the value of theta will be 10 degree and minutes is 0 minutes. So no need to write that. Then next we have 9574. Yeah, it is 9578 and 9573. So see, we have to subtract. So I will consider this as the value. So 9578 we are getting, but we want 4. So 4 should be subtracted from this. So 9578 we got, we need 9574. So 4 mean difference should be subtracted. So it is this one. 4 we have in the fifth 5 minute. So what I'll do, first of all we'll see here it is 42 minutes, and that is what 9578, but what we want is 9574. So I'll just add that 5 degrees in this, so it will be 47 minutes. Okay, so if I write the final answer for this one, it will be theta is equal to, it will be 16 degree and 47 minutes. Okay, why we have done in this way? See children, here it is 42. When we see this value of cos 16 degree 47 minutes, how we'll check the value? We'll go in 16, then we'll go in 42, and in what is there in 42, then we need how much more? 5. So that 5 will subtract. So when we subtract this, so 78 minus 4 will be getting 74, is it? So we'll be getting 74. So what we have done, the whatever the mean difference 5 minutes was there, we have added in this 42 plus 5, that is 47. So we have this 47 minutes, but here in terms of minutes we are adding, but mean difference will be subtracted. So mean minutes will add, mean difference will automatically get subtract, because in cos you are aware that mean difference will subtract, so don't get confused here. Okay, now what we did, we went to 78, but we don't want 78, we want 74. That 4 we need to remove, so whatever we need to remove, that will be removed in terms of mean difference, but that value of minutes will be added. Okay, I hope it is quite clear. You try to see 2-3 examples, it will be more clear to you. Let's go for the next, that is tan. Yeah, then we need to find the value of tan. Do we have to 0.2419 directly? 2419. So let's check, do we have 2419? Yeah, I'm able to see it's over here. So can I say that what is the value of theta here then? It's 13 degree, and what is the minute here? 36 minutes. This is the first. Now we want 4741. So let's check where is 4741. 4741. 4741. So children, here I am able to see this is 4727 and 4748. So here directly it will come in this between. Okay. So now 27 we have, but we need 41, and we know that the mean difference will be added. So I have to take this column. So it is 25 degree, and then here it is 18 minutes. Now it is 27, I need 41. So how much should be added for that? 14 should be added, and 14, if I see here, it's 14 over here, and that is nothing but it is in the mean difference of 4. So can I say you, it's mean difference 4. So I'll just mark all the values what we got. So see, I'm getting theta as, first it is 25 degree. I'll write it over here, 25 degree. Then in terms of minutes, how much we got? 18 minutes we got. And this 18 plus this 4 mean difference minutes, that is 18 plus 4, that is 22. Okay, so I'll say it as 22 minutes. So 25 degree, 22 minutes is our answer. See, in terms of tan, mean difference are added. Okay, so here we have added it, 47, 27 plus 14, that is nothing but it's 41. Okay, I hope it's quite clear to you, and it was an interesting chapter. Do we have any more question in this? Let me check once. No, this was the last question. So children, I hope you enjoyed the video, you understood the concept, quite simple concept. Again, you are going to deal with this finding the values ahead in the height and distance chapter. So I hope you enjoyed it. Revise whatever is taught to you and keep practicing, keep learning. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.